cold start. 1995 Ford Ranger. It's gonna be a little bit of work getting the snow off this. No key fob for this, just keyless, well, keyed entry. Manual. This truck has, for 1995, not bad, 197,000 kilometers. Oh, and I said earlier in my previous vid, 4-speed, 5th gear is overdrive. This hasn't been started in like 2 weeks. Let's see how the bridges are. I don't know how much that is, but let's see what happens. This is my work truck. I use this for hauling people's whatever. Furniture, deliveries, garbage. Make extra money on the side. Of course, I haven't been using it for the last little while just because of all the snow we got. Anyways, the story I have behind this truck is way back in the day when I was 18. My supervisor, I used to work at Domo Gas as a gas jockey. My supervisor had this truck. His name is Jordy. I still talk to him. I have him on Facebook, and I told him one day, I said, "Hey, look what I bought." "What? No way." I said, "Yeah." He said, "Oh, that's so cool, man." And we confirmed it. I told him everything about this truck that he remembers. Behind the seats, there's a custom subwoofer box built in. There's enough room for two subwoofers back there. This one here, the original subwoofers aren't in there, so I just threw in a couple house subs. Whatever, it just sounds a little bit better. It's no amp hooked up to it. It's just running to the rear speakers, but it's a little beater truck, so I'm not gonna put a whole lot of money into it. It's got the CD player that I have in here. I got this from a wrecker for $25, and it actually has Bluetooth built into it, but it's a wired Bluetooth, or like a wired mic. That's the mic right there. So I ran the wire through the back to the head unit. What else can I say about this little truck? It's got the 4-cylinder 2.3 liter 4-cylinder engine with 8 spark plugs. Yeah, a lot of people don't believe me when I say that, but it's actually got 8 spark plugs. And how that works is it's got the two spark plugs per cylinder. There's the one initial firing spark, and then there's one that sparks just afterwards, after the fire. I'm not too sure how exactly it works, but I looked online on Google. It's back in the day, this little 4-cylinder makes 115 horsepower, and then I think 142 pounds of torque at 3,500 RPM, I think. It's belt driven, so I got the timing belt changed. I got that done just a little while ago. I couldn't do it myself. It's actually a pretty big job on this one. Yeah, it's been a good truck so far. It's just can't really drive it with all the snow. The head unit there, the cheap head unit, it's got AUX, it's Bluetooth, it's got everything. Got a pretty good deal on that. Anyways, I'm gonna get out here and shovel the snow off, and then we'll check out what's under the hood. I'll try not to take while I'm doing this, but I'm gonna leave the phone in here, and then I can't put on any music because YouTube will cut my video off. But I'll try be only a couple minutes, and then we'll open up the hood. I don't have a GoPro, so I can't pause the video, so all shoveled off. Let's look under the hood. The distributor. Found four leads. One for put my fingers there. front wheel on each side of the 4-cylinder here. Pretty clean. No roots on the side. Hasn't moved it in got the clear corner lights. Got that from Amazon. The wheels are 16 inches. Got them from an old police car. An old Crown Victoria. It's got the aftermarket taillights. I'm not even gonna try and move it. There's probably enough weight in the back though. The back wheels have winter tires. The front wheels have a slow wheel. I'm not sure how much I can do.